Hello everyone, today through this video we are going to discuss the step-by-step process of filling out the SNAP application form for all of you who might still be sitting on the fence whether to take this exam or not. 60 minutes, 60 questions, very easy exam, so you can consider giving this exam. And the best part is you can apply for 29 courses across the 17 Symbiosis institutes. Think of colleges like SIBM Pune for MBA in operations, marketing. Then you have SCMHRD where you can specialize in marketing, finance, HR, or even business analytics. They even have specific IDM programs specifically for architects and engineers who want to do their specialization in the infrastructure sector. Then there is SIMC for mass and communication and SIOM for operations. So check out all the programs, what is right for you. Please watch this video to gain all the insights that would be needed while filling your application form for SNAP. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go and on the website of snaptest.org, and then you will have this screen where you have to click on apply now. So let's say if you have registered like last year, so you can use that ID and then password and then time. If you are appearing for the SNAP exam, so obviously you have to register and create an account. So you would have some terms and conditions. So you have to read the terms and conditions that you would have for your SNAP exam. Then you have to fill these kind of information like applicant name, date of birth, mobile number, primary email, then the confirmation of that primary email, category, nationality, and then if you would move across, you would have the dates. That is, you can choose कि snap 1 में appear होना है, snap 2 में appear होना है, snap 3 में appear होना है, या तीनों के तीनों snap के exam में appear होना है. Dates are for the snap test 1 you have the date of 6th December 2025, that is Saturday. For snap 2 you would have the date of 14th December 2025, Sunday. For snap 3, 20 December 2025, Saturday again. तो यू हैव टू चूज कि तीनों में अपेयर होना है या एक में अपेयर होना है या दो में अपेयर होना है. देन यू हैव टू ऑल्सो सेलेक्ट द सिटी, टेस्ट सिटी प्रेफरेंस for snap test 1, snap test 2, snap test 3. If you have, let's say, decided for appear for all of the snap test exams, and then you have to upload your current passport size photo. The photo होगी वो ज्यादा 6 महीने से ज्यादा पुरानी नहीं होनी चाहिए, and also the background need to be white, right? And choose the correct format here to upload the photo. Then you have to verify your name, date of birth, category, photograph, test city, test date and everything, and then you have to click on save and continue, and then obviously you will receive an OTP on your phone to confirm your registration. Then the next step is to make your payment using a credit card, debit card, net banking or UPI. After the payment is successful, you will be redirected to the rest of the application form. So then you have to complete your application details. Now you will enter the rest of your information, that is WorkX. So you have to enter work experience, enter your full-time work experience, that is experience in months, calculated up to May 31st, 2026. If you are not sure when you will resign, just enter your experience up to the current date. Right, then after that you have to fill your educational details, enter your class 10th, 12th grade percentage for your bachelor's degree, choose the highest qualification, whether you have appeared for your final year or already completed it, then fill in your university and degree details. Then you have to go for program selection. This is now a crucial section. Select all the programs and colleges you wish to apply. Keep in mind that some programs like SCMHRD, IDM program, you have to be specific. You have to be consider the specific eligibility criteria that you must need to meet. Right, then you have to give your correspondence address, that is just enter your current address. Then a new section is here this year for the Symbiosis Dubai campus for MBA program. So select yes or no if you would like to apply. So once you have filled everything out, you have to then pay 10,000 per program. for you, whatever program you have selected. After the click on preview and print application on the left side, you just have to make sure to save a copy for your records. So once your application is submitted, it's a time to focus on your snap preparation. Thank you.